Why do some thoughts never seem to leave your mind? That half-written email. That project you started but didn't finish. That book you never got around to reading. There's a reason they haunt you. It's called the Zeigarnik Effect, a psychological phenomenon discovered in the 1920s by Bluma Zeigarnik. She noticed something strange. Waiters could remember unpaid orders with incredible detail, but forgot them completely once they were paid. The mind, it turns out, clings to what's incomplete. It doesn't like open loops. It keeps nudging you, whispering, "Finish this. Don't forget. Don't stop." You can use this to your advantage. Start something, even just a small piece of it, and your brain will want to finish it. That's how momentum begins. That's how discipline is built. Not through motivation, but through tension. So the next time you feel stuck, just start. One line, one step, one spark. Your brain will take it from there.